The world watched in awe as scientists developed COVID-19 vaccines at an unprecedented speed. But what comes next in the world of vaccines? How has the pandemic reshaped our approach to immunization? What are the top vaccines and top countries who are developing them? Join us as we explore the future of vaccines in the post-COVID era. The rapid development of COVID-19 vaccines showcase the power of scientific collaboration and innovation. Technologies like mRNA and viral vector vaccines, which were relatively new, proved their effectiveness and potential. But the story doesn't end with COVID-19. The success of mRNA vaccines has opened new avenues for preventing other diseases. Researchers are now exploring mRNA technology for vaccines against influenza, Zika virus, and even certain types of cancer. This technology allows for faster development and easier adaptation to virus mutations, making it a game changer for future pandemic preparedness. The COVID-19 vaccine race wasn't just a sprint. It was a testament to what happens when scientists from all corners of the globe come together with a common goal: saving lives. It's like a mega team of superheroes joining forces to defeat a common enemy. And boy, did they deliver! Technologies like mRNA and viral vector vaccines, which might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, turned out to be the secret weapons in this battle against the virus. But here's the exciting part. The adventure doesn't stop with COVID-19. Remember those mRNA vaccines? Well, they're like the superheroes who discovered their powers and are now ready to take on even bigger challenges. Scientists are now looking at using mRNA technology to create vaccines for other villains, like the flu, Zika virus, and even certain types of cancer. It's like unlocking a treasure trove of possibilities in the fight against disease. What makes mRNA technology so special? It's like having a super fast track to creating vaccines. Traditional vaccine development can take years, but with mRNA, scientists can whip up a new vaccine recipe in record time. And the best part? They can easily tweak the recipe to keep up with the bad guys' ever-changing tricks. It's like having a superhero who can adapt to any situation, always staying one step ahead of the game. So, the next time you hear about mRNA vaccines, remember that they're not just heroes in the fight against COVID-19. They're the pioneers of a new era in medicine, where diseases can be stopped in their tracks faster than ever before. It's like turning the page to a new chapter in the story of humanity's battle against disease, where science and innovation lead the way to a safer, healthier future for all. The COVID-19 pandemic didn't just push scientists to create vaccines faster, it also revolutionized how vaccines are made and delivered around the world. Picture this: a global team working together to make sure everyone gets the protection they need, no matter where they live. Thanks to this teamwork, billions of doses of COVID-19 vaccines were made in record time. And here's the cool part. This rush to create vaccines also sparked improvements in how they're made and delivered. Think of it like upgrading the machinery in a factory to make things run smoother and faster. Now, imagine a giant puzzle of logistics. Getting vaccines to every corner of the world is like solving that puzzle. But because of the COVID-19 vaccine effort, we've found new and better ways to do it. We've figured out how to store vaccines at just the right temperature, how to transport them safely, and how to make sure they reach even the most remote places. It's like finding the fastest route on a map to deliver life-saving medicine. And the best part? These improvements don't just help with COVID-19 vaccines. They'll make all vaccines more accessible to everyone. That means more people, especially in poorer countries, can get the protection they need against all sorts of diseases. It's like leveling the playing field so that everyone has a fair chance at staying healthy. And that's something we can all be grateful for. The pandemic has also highlighted the importance of vaccine equity. COVID-19 exposed stark disparities in vaccine access between different regions of the world. Moving forward, there is a stronger emphasis on ensuring that vaccines are distributed fairly and equitably. International organizations and governments are working together to establish more robust frameworks for equitable vaccine distribution, aiming to close the gap and protect vulnerable populations. Public perception of vaccines has evolved as well. The intense focus on COVID-19 vaccines has led to greater public awareness about the importance of vaccines in general. However, it has also fueled vaccine hesitancy in some groups. Addressing this hesitancy is crucial for the success of future vaccination efforts. Health organizations are investing in educational campaigns and community outreach programs, to build trust and provide accurate information about vaccines. Innovation in vaccine delivery methods is another area of progress. The pandemic spurred the development of new delivery systems, such as nasal sprays and oral vaccines, which could simplify administration and increase vaccine uptake. These innovations are particularly important for improving vaccination rates in children and other populations that may have difficulties with traditional injection-based vaccines. Looking ahead, the collaborative spirit that defined the global response to COVID-19 is likely to continue. Scientists, governments, and organizations around the world are more connected than ever, sharing data and resources to tackle health challenges. This spirit of collaboration will be essential for addressing future pandemics and improving overall public health. In addition to the advancements in vaccine technology and distribution, several vaccines have stood out during and after the COVID-19 pandemic. 1. Pfizer-BioNTech, Comirnaty. This mRNA vaccine was one of the first to be authorized and has shown high efficacy in preventing COVID-19. Its success has paved the way for further development of mRNA vaccines for other diseases. 2. Moderna Spikevax, another mRNA vaccine that has demonstrated strong efficacy against COVID-19. Moderna is also exploring mRNA technology for vaccines targeting other viruses and conditions. 3. AstraZeneca Vaxzevria. This viral vector vaccine has been widely used globally and has been instrumental in the fight against COVID-19, particularly in low and middle-income countries due to its lower cost and easier storage requirements. 4. Johnson & Johnson Janssen. Known for its single-dose regimen, this viral vector vaccine has been a critical tool in increasing vaccine accessibility and coverage, especially in regions with logistical challenges. 5. Novavax. This protein subunit vaccine uses a more traditional approach and has shown promising results. It offers an alternative for those who may be hesitant about newer vaccine technologies like mRNA and viral vectors. These vaccines have not only played a crucial role in controlling the COVID-19 pandemic, but have also set the stage for future vaccine innovations and developments. Countries around the world are playing pivotal roles in the advancement of vaccine technology and distribution. Like United States, home to leading pharmaceutical companies like Pfizer and Moderna, the US has been at the forefront of mRNA vaccine development. Significant investments in biotech research and public-private partnerships have accelerated innovation. Germany has been instrumental, particularly through BioNTech, which partnered with Pfizer to develop the first mRNA COVID-19 vaccine. The country continues to be a leader in biotech research and vaccine development. United Kingdom. The UK, through its collaboration with AstraZeneca and the University of Oxford, developed a viral vector vaccine that has been crucial globally. The UK also invests heavily in life sciences and health research. China. Chinese companies like Sinovac and Sinopharm developed inactivated virus vaccines, contributing significantly to the global supply. China is also advancing in other vaccine technologies and expanding its vaccine production capabilities. India, known as the pharmacy of the world. India is a major producer of vaccines, including the Covaxin and the Indian-manufactured AstraZeneca vaccine, Covishield. Indian companies are expanding their research and manufacturing capacities to meet global demand. Russia developed the Sputnik V vaccine, one of the first COVID-19 vaccines to be registered. The country continues to invest in vaccine research and development. In the wake of COVID-19, the world is witnessing a seismic shift in the landscape of vaccines. As we navigate the aftermath of the pandemic, it's essential to grasp the facts about vaccines. Firstly, vaccines are unequivocal lifesavers, having prevented millions of deaths globally from diseases like polio, measles, and influenza. Secondly, vaccine safety is paramount, with rigorous testing protocols ensuring both efficacy and safety before approval. The development of vaccines is a complex process, typically taking years, but recent advancements, such as mRNA technology, have accelerated timelines without compromising safety. Moreover, equitable distribution is pivotal to their effectiveness, necessitating global efforts to ensure access across all regions. In the future, vaccines will be super smart and tailored just for you. Imagine if your vaccine could understand your body's unique traits, like a superhero with a personalized cape. With advances in science, vaccines will be customized to match your genetic makeup and immune system, like a perfectly fitting glove. This means they'll work even better at keeping you safe from diseases, like having a superhero shield that protects you from harm. But that's not all. Technology is going to make vaccines even cooler. Imagine if scientists could use super smart computers to find new vaccines faster than ever before, like superheroes using their powers to zoom through space. These computer whizzes will analyze tons of data to figure out which vaccines will work best, like a team of heroes solving a puzzle to save the day. In conclusion, the landscape of vaccines after COVID-19 is marked by rapid technological advancements, improved distribution systems, a focus on equity, and heightened public awareness. The innovations and lessons from the pandemic are shaping a brighter future for global health, where vaccines play a pivotal role in preventing diseases and saving lives. If you want to stay up to date with more cool facts and information like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.